Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my road bike setup. It's over here. And I'm going to be talking through each of the parts on my bike and some of the other accessories and equipment that I got. So this is a Trek, as you guys can see, Imanda 2016 version, and I bought this on eBay from some guy who used to be a racer, so it's got spec'd with really good components. As you guys can see, it's got aero wheels. These are the Aeolus 5 wheels from 2015, and it's running the Donnelly LGG 25 tires. We just got two Bontrager Elite water bottle cages right there. We're running Shimano Ultegra Di2 setup on my bike, and we've got Wend Wax on the chain for the dry lube. And my bike needs a wash in a few more miles, so I'm gonna work on that. And then here we got the brakes, which are TRP. I guess they're pretty good. They're, I believe, titanium. And the brakes I originally came with cork, but I ended up switching them out to the Prince Swiss stop. And these have been awesome brakes. And then the saddle, I've also was running a Physique saddle at first, but I had to get it changed to the Aeolus Elite. And this one has a full cutout here, as you guys can see, which helps relieve a lot of pressure. It's been heavenly on rides. And then here I got a basic bike computer. This is the Bontrager 300, and it's linked up to, see, this cadence sensor here, and then let's see, where else is it, and then the duo trap system here. So it just gives basic information like speed, distance, cadence, and whatnot. Alright, and we're also running Ultegra setup here as well. So the bike I got is a 56 centimeter size in H2 geometry, and we're running carbon bars here with Bontrager Velvetac grip, and also a carbon seat post here. So next I'm going to talk about some of the accessories that I'm using. So there's a few other things I want to mention. This is the SL6 model of the Imanda, which comes with Trek's 500 series OCLV carbon. And we've also got something pretty sweet here on the handlebar on the right side. This is a sprint shifter, so when I'm riding in the drops, you know, pushing the pace hard, I can shift here to a harder gear and just boom, see you later. Pedals here, we're running a Shimano SPD SL. These are the 105 pedals, and the here is Di2, just means the electronic shifting, and it's been very smooth, very crisp, clean shifting, and I'm in love with it. We've got the front chain rings. I'm running a 5034, which just refers to the number of teeth on these two chain rings in the front. And then the rear, I'm running 1125. So it's not so good for climbing hills, but you know, it's my first bike. What are you gonna do? Alright, so now I'm gonna talk about some of the other accessories and equipment that I am using. So a helmet I'm using is a Bontrager Wavesail Spectre. This is supposed to be one of the more safest helmets on the market. I had a crash about a year ago, so just want to protect myself. Then my water bottles here. I'm running GCN. You know, it's got to support the English voice. And for snacks, while riding, I've got these Electrolyte Gummies that I found at the LA Fit Expo. And these has been tasty, and it's got potassium, calcium, magnesium, sodium, and sugar. Tastes really good, pina colada flavor. I really recommend this one. And then here we got Scratch Labs Drink Hydration Mix. And this one you just put a scoop into your water bottle, and it gives it this lemon lime flavor and provides electrolytes and sugar. Also, I like to eat Cliff Bars while riding. I haven't found an energy gel that I like yet, so if you guys have recommendations for ones that don't taste like crap, let me know in the comments. So what I mentioned earlier with my chain, I'm running the beautiful Wind Wax. That's why it makes it look like shiny, radioactive. It's just beautiful on the road. Alright, next I'm running the Physique R5B shoes with yellow cleats. These shoes were on sale at Performance Bicycle when they went bankrupt, and then I think you can get them online now for around $60. And for the tires, once my tires wear out, I'm going to be running Continental GP 5000. And these are really highly rated tires, and I'm super excited to get these on my bike and just feel the difference. Alright, and that's pretty much it for my bike video. Hope you guys like it, and if you guys are also in the DMV area, let me know, and I want to organize, group rides, maybe get a little train going here, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.